In this video, I'll show you how to install, set up, and customize the Kundalini widget on your WordPress website using the Divine Astro plugin. With this widget, you can display detailed birth charts and astrological insights, helping your users understand their horoscopes better. Let's get started. The first step is installing the Divine Astro plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then type Divine Astro in the search bar. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after it's installed, click Activate. Once activated, you'll notice a new menu item labeled Divine Astro in your dashboard. That's all it takes to install the plugin. Now, let's activate and authenticate it so we can use the widget. To activate the plugin and access the Kundalini widget, you'll need an API key from Divine API. If you're a new user, sign up for a 7-day free trial or log in to your existing account. Inside your Divine API dashboard, go to the API Keys section and copy your key. Now, return to WordPress, click on Divine Astro, then open the Authenticate tab. Paste your API key into the provided field and click Save. Next, you need to authorize your website. Copy your website URL from WordPress and then go to the Website Authorization section in your Divine API dashboard, enter your website URL, and click Save to authorize it. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard, refresh the page once, and you will see your site is authorized with a green badge. Once your website is authorized, the widget will be fully functional. Without this step, it won't work, so make sure you complete the authorization process. Now that the plugin is set up, let's embed the Kundalini widget on your website. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divine Astro, then click on Indian Astrology and select Kundalini. Here, you'll find the shortcode for the Kundalini widget. If no shortcode is available, click Create New Shortcode to generate one. This will redirect you to Divine API. Save your settings, return to WordPress, and you will see your settings appear with a shortcode. Copy the shortcode and open the page or post where you want the widget to appear. Paste the shortcode into the WordPress editor, whether using the block editor or the classic editor. Finally, click Save or Publish to apply the changes. You can click on the View page to check how it looks. Once embedded, the widget will display detailed Kundalini charts for your users. Now, let's customize the widget so it matches your website's design and style. To customize the Kundalini widget, click the Customize button next to the shortcode you want to modify. Inside the panel, you can adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and layout options to ensure the widget blends seamlessly with your website's theme. For a step-by-step guide on customizing the Kundalini widget, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. Once you've finished customizing, save your changes. These customizations help the plugin match your website's theme and provide a personalized experience for your visitors. If you create multiple shortcodes, you can easily manage them by tracking each one with its unique ID. You can assign specific shortcodes to different pages to offer a customized experience. Always preview the plugin before publishing to ensure it looks as expected on your pages. To preview, check if you have multiple or single shortcodes available. Click on the Copy button for the shortcode you want to preview. Here we are doing it by clicking on Pages and then Add New Page. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the WordPress editor on your desired page or post. Click on the Preview button and then click on Open in New tab. The preview will open in a new tab where you can see how your Kundalini widget appears. Once satisfied, go back to your page and click on Publish to make your widget live. This flexibility lets you tailor the plugin to different sections of your site, delivering more relevant content to your users. And that's it. You've successfully installed, set up, and customized the Kundalini widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. Your visitors can now generate and explore detailed birth charts right on your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.